Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to log into your GoCardless account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, launch open a web browser to get started. Inside the URL box at the top, type in GoCardless.com and search. This will then take you to the official website for GoCardless, which looks like this. Click on the login button at the top right corner and you will then be prompted to enter your email and password associated with GoCardless. Go ahead and enter your email address and your password. If you're having trouble remembering your password, click on the forgotten password link and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end. After you are done entering your credential, click sign in and you will be logged into your GoCardless account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.